Hey, let's match my outfit with the Sonny Angel. Look at these beautiful Sonny Angels. I'm never tired of watching them. I've customized them myself, except the strawberry one. I'm still thinking of if I should customize this one. Let me know. So what do you think? Which one should match with my outfit? Look at this beautiful baby blue sparkling one. Let's see how it looks on a case. What do you think? I love this purple bunny. Love it. This pink one is also very cute and beautiful. This one can also be used as a keychain. So I can put one down and up. What do you think of the idea? Let me know in the comments. Let's see with this one. Oh wow, what do you think? I love this combo. I also have this beautiful lion in yellow and pink. And this beautiful Sonny Angel strawberry one. I love it. So I think I'm going to put the two bunnies. Let me know, what do you think? Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for your comments, like and subscribe. Mwah.